Hi, now in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the secret code of becoming profitable in the financial market, right? A lot of forex traders are just focusing on strategy, and the likes. But in this video, you're going to learn why you are still struggling being profitable in the market. You're going to learn the reason why you're making money here and you're losing money the other way around, right? So stick around, make sure you never skip any part of the video, and trust me, you're going to learn a lot, right? So should in case you see me for the first time, my name is Gordon Trades. I come up here to share my journey with you and to also share my knowledge with you so as to make you become a successful forex trader. So now, what is the secret that the top 1 traders are using to become a successful forex trader? Now, I'm not just saying being successful trader, being consistently profitable. That is what makes you a successful forex trader. Now, I need to pay attention to this, right? Number 1, you need to be organized. If you are not organized, you cannot be successful in the market. A lot of forex traders don't know what they want. You need to also know what you want. You need to know the type of market you are trading. I'm going to be sharing my charts with you, and I'll be showing you when I say you need to know the type of market you are trading. Another thing is you want to spot a trending market. The moment you find a trending market, please stick to it, right? You can even trade this trending market for the whole week or for the whole month, so long as it is trending. Remember when they say the trend is your friend? The trend is your friend if you know how to move alongside with the trend. Now, the trend will give you money if you know how to stack in more trade or how to enter and exit, right? So, but if you are trading in a consolidating market, or you are trading a pair you never even traded for a long time, or you are not even familiar with, you're going to lose money despite your knowledge in the market. Why? Because most of these pairs move differently. So right now I'm going to show you a particular trade that we are currently in with my student, right? We took this trade in the live section today being Monday, because I did come up live with my student Monday, Wednesday and Friday for live training sessions, right? And you don't want to miss a gathering like this where we come on live and share knowledge about the market, and guys are making money. While you are learning, you are also making money. The link to join us will be in the video description below. So let's dive right in. Let me show you this particular trade I'm talking about. Now, this is the trade. If I come on to 1 hour time frame, I want you to see something. Now, this is GBP USD. You agree with me that GBP USD has been trending. Let's go to daily time frame. Now, on the daily time frame, you will notice that the market has trended up, right? Has trended up, right? Now, the market got here. This is the particular high that pushed the price down. Now, and price got here, but we have a reaction. We have a reaction to the downside. But in as much, we cannot just say we have a trend in direction, because this particular low have not been taken out. This particular low have not been taken out. Until this particular low takes out, then we can say we have a change in trend direction. That means the buy trend is now turning into what? A sell trend. But right now, what we are looking at is opportunity for buys, right? Then we came on to the 1 hour, the 4 hour time frame. Then on the 4 hour time frame, what did I spot? We spotted that the market created an equal low here. Did you see? Now, the trend here is about to change from this pullback, which is this sell, to a normal trend, which is a buy, right? So remember, the overall trend is a buy trend on GBP USD. Now, but GBP USD have been selling throughout last week. Did you see that? But when I spotted that we had a double bottom here, and what does that signify? A double bottom is an example that the market is about to start going for a buy. Then we hop on in. Now we came to 1 hour time frame. I thought about entry strategy here several times. You can see. Now we used the trend line break and retest to get in on this trade this morning, and we've already smashed TP1. This is our TP1. I told my team that we will have a reaction when the market gets here, right? Why? Because this was the high of the day on Friday. This was how the candle closed on Friday. Now this is the high of the day. Now, before we can add more position, we need to let this high be taken out. Did you see that? And moreover, we also have a high impact news just few minutes ago around 3 p.m. here. Today is Monday, like I'm saying. We have the PMI news, which was a positive one for the dollar index, meaning that the GBP USD will sell, and that was a sell we had because it was anticipated. You can see. Now we took our entry here on the 15-minute time frame. We got here, we hit TP1. Then I told them, yeah, this is my team. You can see guys are making money. Now this is it here. This is where we got in, right? I called out the trade here. Then I told them we had news around 3 p.m. that moment we hit TP1, we can take partial profit, right? And move break even to 50% break even. I always update my team here because they pay to get here, so they must get value for their money. I told them take partial profit, react to this via this trade, right? Boom, you can see. And I told them there is a high impact news in 45 minutes. I already told them the academy as well that we'll be having high impact news, and that was what really played out. You can see the moment that news came out, it was a bearish one for GBP USD, right? Now look at it, because we already knew that this market wants to resume its proper trending nature, so we are not perturbed. Now our stop loss was here. We were very deliberate. Why? Because we would have used 20 pip stop loss here, but I gave room for eventuality, because you know how the market is right now. The market has changed, so you want to be very, very flexible in your trading. Now we intended to use 32 pips, right? Now we're able to smash 1:1 here. Then we took partial profit. So right now, whatever that is happening right now, we are just still watching the market. Right now we are still on this trade partially. Then the moment this particular high of the day is taken out, trust me, it's going to be a smooth run to the upside. Now why am I not looking at any other pair? Because I've seen something that will give me money over time, right? So if I make money here, who knows, probably the pair that I'm going to be trading may be the pair that I'm going to be losing money on. So the moment you are able to get a particular trending pair, stick to it, and this is what makes you a successful forex trader. Right now this particular market plays out now, it's going to be in our favor. So see how the market will rally up onto this particular high, and this is our overall take profit target. Did you see that? So whatever that is happening here, today is Monday, the market always like to move in a funny way sometimes, but we are still watching this particular trade. Now you may want to ask, what if this market does otherwise? No problem. Number one, we have paid ourselves first. Why? Because we saw it at this price, we shoot down later. Then this is 1 hour time frame, which will be done in the next 13 minutes. The next 1 hour candle might be the bullish engulfing candle that may break this particular high. Now if you look at it, we've not had that breakout and retest here on the 1 hour time frame. You will go to 15-minute time frame, you will find the retest, but on the 1 hour time frame we've not really had the retest. So the red candle you are seeing here is the retest we have anticipated. Now when price broke above, you expected that retest. So before that retest occurred, we are already took 50% of our profit. So we are waiting for that impulse. So now what do you see? You now see the beginning of a higher high, higher low. This is a low, a higher high, higher low. Did you see? Higher high, higher low. So this is the formation of a new trend, which is the characteristics of an uptrend. So this is how you want to trade every day in the market. I'm focused on this particular pair, and I'm going to be riding it from Monday to Friday until the market changes direction, right? You can make money even on one pair. Do you understand that? If you want to become profitable, stick to this code, apply it, focus on a particular trending pair that you are very sure that it might trend for the next 1 week, and make your money from that pair. This is how I've been able to 10x my account over time, and I've replicated this with my students. If you want to join us in our academy, you're most welcome. The link to join us is inside this video description below. And don't forget to also join our free Telegram channel. I also drop free signal on a weekly basis. So do it to take action right now. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.